A butterfly valve is a valve that isolates or regulates the flow of a fluid. This valve is a type of quarter-turn valve. A quarter-turn valve can open or close whenever the handle is turned 90 degrees. The main function of these valves is to control the flow of liquids through a section of pipe. The butterfly is a metal disc mounted on a rod. When the valve is closed, the disc is turned so that it completely blocks off the passageway. When the valve is fully open, the disc is rotated a quarter turn so that it allows an almost unrestricted passage of the fluid. Butterfly valves are mainly used in waste treatment systems.